Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Twit-Fi token. Now Twit-Fi just got listed a couple days ago on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, tweet to earn. That's what this token is all about here. This token just got listed 2 days ago, December 20th. Today is December 22nd on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, all you have to do is just go right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description box down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Twit-Fi, TWITFI. That is the ticker symbol for this token. And then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is Twit-Fi? Well, it says just tweet with the hashtag Twit-Fi to earn tokens. No special app is needed. You can tweet from Twitter app as usual. We believe that tweets have the power to drive the world. Twit-Fi is a Web3 social networking service with a GameFi feature. Users keep NFTs featuring bird designs. Tweeting on Twitter with Twit-Fi earns in-game tokens, which can be used in-game or cashed out for profit. Twit-Fi encourages people from all over the world to interact with one another. The goal is to contribute to the enhancement of society by increasing creative thinking and improving people's mental health through more interaction. It says Twit-Fi is currently in the beta phase, so they're just basically getting started here. So they have an in-game token as well, and the ticker symbol for that is TWT, but don't get that confused because I believe that is also the ticker symbol for the Trust Wallet token. So to start with Twit-Fi, you need to connect your wallet to your Twitter account and purchase an egg NFT. Access to Twit-Fi with your browser. Then connect your wallet. Accessing Twit-Fi, connect your wallet supports integration with MetaMask and Wallet Connect. Connect to your Twitter account. After you've connected your wallet, please connect. It says the connection is only to get your tweet information. We do not operate followings, tweets, retweets, etc. Then it says purchase NFTs. Head over to the market and choose an egg NFT. You could purchase multiple NFTs, up to 10, with one account. Ensure you have enough Ethereum ready for MetaMask. Prices at the official launch are as follows. So it says the price of a common egg is free, and a rare one is 0.1 ETH, and epic ones are not for sale, it says. So, then they go over hatching. It says, in order to tweet to earn, you need to hatch an NFT egg. To hatch an NFT egg, select the egg on the NFT Twit-Fi asset page and press the hatching button. Once hatched, the egg becomes a bird NFT. Interesting, just like the Twitter bird there. So, tweet to earn. Users earn Twit-Fi tokens, TWT, by holding bird NFTs and tweeting. Once setup is complete, just tweet with Twit-Fi hashtag from your public account. No special app is needed. You can tweet from your Twitter app as usual. Once you tweet, you will earn TWT in 24 hours. 50% of the TWT earned by tweeting can be withdrawn at any time, and another 50% is locked for 1 month. However, locked TWT can still be used for transactions in Twit-Fi. When you use TWT in Twit-Fi, locked TWT is consumed in priority. If you own multiple bird NFTs, earn NFT. The NFT earns you from a single tweet. Here's how the tweeting is getting TWT. Number 1, tweet. Number 2, consumption of feed. Number 3, start counting the time until TWT is distributed. And number 4, TWT distributed 24 hours after the above 3. I believe this white paper here is translated. It's kind of reads a little bit strange, but you get the idea anyway. So let's skip down to the roadmap here. So they started in Q3 2022 with the concept of UI and UX design. Then Q4 was development, NFT pre-sale, beta launch, official launch, partnerships, other paid services, and then it says more to be continued. Tokenomics are on here. It says 25% of the tokens go to buy back TWT and burn them. 50% go to adding DEX liquidity. 25% as TWT, 25% as ETH. And then lastly, the other quarter, 25% of the tokens go to funds for team activities. So it says there is a selling commission of 4.5% will be charged when selling TWT on a decentralized exchange. 2.5% is burned and 2.5% is added to the DEX liquidity in the smart contract. All TWT spent on Twit-Fi, such as purchases, upgrades, mints, etc., will be burned. So there is a deflationary mechanism here. But yeah, you don't have to worry about those taxes if you're buying tokens off of Mexc Global. They have super low fees on Mexc Global too, which is why I use Mexc all the time. Very great app. Now the utilities for the TWT token are leveling up NFTs, item purchasing, and other paid services to be determined, it says. Now they're doing very well on Twitter. They have 25,400 Twitter followers, and they just joined in June 2022, and you can find them at Twit-Fi_official. So yeah, check this token out. Just got listed 2 days ago on Mexc Global. Like I said, you could check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Also check out all the other referral codes as well. There's some good ones down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.